Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. Proven side hustles that bring real money. In 2025, the landscape for earning money with just your smartphone is brighter than ever, providing pathways for anyone willing to put in the effort. From leveraging free apps to embrace creative content making, to completing local tasks and reselling unused items, the opportunities are plentiful and ripe for the taking. By following clear strategies and being consistent, you can transform your phone into a powerful asset that generates income, all while managing your time effectively. Let's harness these innovative side hustles and kickstart your journey to financial independence today. In this digital age, the potential for profit is just a few taps away, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. With this guide, you're equipped to take action utilizing your smartphone and some grit. Whether you gravitate towards creating engaging content, completing practical tasks, or selling your expertise, every path offers unique benefits. The key is to start small, remain focused, and remain adaptable to maximize your results. Stay committed, and you'll find that steady efforts can lead to substantial rewards over time. As we wrap up this guide, remember that the key to success lies in taking that first step. Choose a side hustle that resonates with you, and commit to nurturing it consistently. Whether it's creating captivating videos or providing valuable services, your smartphone can be a launching pad for your financial ambitions in 2025. Don't hesitate. Embrace this journey with enthusiasm and watch as new opportunities unfold at your fingertips. You've learned about a variety of side hustles and how they can be executed straight from your phone, but the most significant takeaway is your commitment to action. As you visualize your capabilities and set specific goals, your path becomes clearer. Whether you find yourself creating content or flipping items, remember that persistence and dedication are vital components of success. Keep refining your approach, exploring avenues for growth, and adapting to changing trends, so you can continually progress in your journey toward financial freedom. You've explored the diverse possibilities of making money through your smartphone, from crafting engaging content to providing services that cater to local needs. Now, it's your turn to turn these insights into tangible results. Dive into your chosen side hustle, utilize the tools and techniques you've learned, and stay committed to your goals. Remember, every successful journey starts with a single step and a determination to keep moving forward. Your smartphone is not just a communication device, it's a powerful tool that can elevate your financial life. So take action today and unlock the potential waiting within your reach. Thank you for joining me on this exciting journey, and remember, your hustle starts now. In 2025, the possibilities for making real money with your smartphone are endless, bringing new opportunities to those eager to embrace them. Start by narrowing down your options based on what fits your lifestyle and interests best. Once you select a side hustle, dedicate yourself fully, even if that means learning new skills or adapting to trends as they emerge. Remember to engage with others who are on similar journeys, share experiences, and gather insights that can enhance your approach. With determination and the right mindset, the financial potential from your smartphone is truly within your grasp. Now that you've explored various side hustles and strategies to monetize your smartphone, it's crucial to take bold steps into this new venture. Embrace the excitement of possibility and remember that action is what transforms ideas into reality. Your path may have obstacles, but with grit and resilience, you can establish a rewarding income stream. Equip yourself with the knowledge from this guide, put in the necessary effort, and soon you'll see the fruits of your labor. Your smartphone is more than a device, it's a gateway to financial freedom and creative expression. The journey starts now, so take that plunge and make your ambitions materialize. Choosing a side hustle tailored to your skills and interests can set the tone for your success. Start small and scale as you gain confidence. Remember, progress is often the result of incremental steps. Commit to working in short, manageable bursts that fit into your day-to-day life, and don't shy away from adjusting your approach based on what resonates with you. Your smartphone is your partner in this venture, allowing you to track achievements, connect with others, and refine your strategies effectively. Keep your mindset positive and open, for every challenge you face is merely another opportunity to learn and grow on your entrepreneurial journey. As you embark on your side hustle journey, remember that the landscape is ever evolving, and staying informed is essential. Engage with communities online, follow industry trends, and keep learning. Each step you take not only builds your skills but also connects you with like-minded individuals who share your ambitions. Therefore, dive deep into your selected side hustle, adapt your strategies, and continuously seek improvement. Your commitment and adaptability will be the driving forces behind your continued success, turning your smartphone into a transformative tool for your financial well-being. Embrace the challenges and celebrate your progress as you pave the way toward your goals. As you gear up to start your side hustle journey, remember that the key to progress is not just planning, but actual execution. Focusing on one idea at a time allows you to channel your energy effectively and minimize overwhelm. Prioritize taking small, actionable steps each day to maintain momentum, whether that's creating content, applying for tasks, or flipping items online. By nurturing your chosen path with consistent effort and enthusiasm, you'll find that tangible results are achievable, making your smartphone a valuable asset in your quest for financial independence. Your commitment to action will set the foundation for a successful side hustle journey, turning your smartphone into a dynamic source of income. Remember, the essence of growth lies in staying focused and refining your techniques as you proceed. Make the decision to engage actively with your chosen strategy, and track your progress regularly to gain insights that fuel your drive. Celebrate each achievement, big or small, as a milestone on your path. With patience and perseverance, your financial goals will begin to materialize, filling your entrepreneurial journey with exciting possibilities. Thank you for being a part of this adventure, and take the leap into the future that awaits. As you step into the world of side hustles, remember to assess your progress weekly and adapt your strategies according to the outcomes you observe. This iterative process is essential in honing your approach and maximizing your results as you become more familiar with the methods that resonate with your skills and interests. Stay persistent and celebrate your small victories, as they build momentum and encourage you to keep pushing forward. Your smartphone is not just a tool for communication, it is a powerful ally in your quest for financial independence. Embrace this journey wholeheartedly, and soon you will see significant results from your efforts. Now that you've understood the importance of taking action and refining your approach, it's critical to stay engaged and continuously seek new opportunities. With each step, you'll learn more about your strengths and preferences, allowing you to adjust your side hustle accordingly. Embrace this journey with passion, and watch your financial ambitions unfold right at your fingertips. Your hustle starts now, and it's time to take decisive action to build the financial future you desire. By embracing opportunities and remaining dedicated to your goals, you'll transform your smartphone into a vehicle for wealth creation. Keep going, and remember, the journey is just as rewarding as the destination. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.